Okay, hi. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do Google Forms. So you just type in Google Forms in Google, and it's the first tab most likely. You go to Google Forms, and it has all these different like template galleries for events, t-shirt signups, party invites, all of that, like if you wanted to do that. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and do the basics. Sorry, that was the one I started before. But so first you have questions and responses. So we're just going to go to the questions, and you can title your form. So title form, and you can form a description for it. And then here you can formulate your questions, whatever questions that you want. And there's different options down here and right now we have multiple choice, but you can do different types of ones. Short answer, paragraph. So let's see, you can, if they want to do short answer or multiple choice, I'm gonna stick with multiple choice, but there is a lot of different things you can do with that. And then you can add a bunch of different options if you wanted to. And then to add a question, you would just click the plus button over here on the right. And if you wanted to, you can move the questions around by this 6 little dot thing up here. And if you wanted to say delete it, you could click the little delete box. Or if you wanted to duplicate a question, you could just click the duplicate. But for now, I'm just going to do that and add a second question. Question 2. And then you can actually title your different questions if you wanted to do that. Move it around if you wanted to, I don't know, have different sections for that. And you can add an image you can take a snapshot, your URL, your albums, your Google Drive, or just search an image if you wanted to. And then there's a little add video. You can go to YouTube, or if you know the URL already for the YouTube, you can do that as well. And then this one, you can add a section with this. So if you wanted completely different sections for your form, you could do that. But I'm just going to delete that section right here. And so it's pretty easy, pretty simple. And then down here, if you click this, then this means that whoever is responding to this has to answer this question correctly. It's like required to answer the question correctly to move on to the rest of the section. And then now we're going to move up here to customize theme. You can change all your different colors, change your background color, or you can choose an image for your header or whatnot. Select that. See, now it's a different little theme. So that's pretty fun if you want to do that. And if you click the little I button, this will preview what it looks like to other people. So I'm just going to click the option 1, and they'll have a little submit button when they're done. And you can go back and you can actually see that people responded to your form, and it shows you like the ratio and all of that, or you can go to individually and see who and what responded to which question individually. So it's pretty nice. And then there's a little gear icon, which is just the settings. And this is pretty simple. You can just change all your different settings. You can edit after they submit. The respondents can edit after they submit. You can click on that if you want that, or if it requires the responders are only limited to one response, so they can't go back and respond multiple times. Presentation, show progress bar, shuffle question order if you wanted to, I don't know. And you can show link to submit another response. And quizzes, if you are a teacher, you can make this a quiz, which I am not. So, and then the last thing, if you wanted to send it out, obviously you can send it by email. You can send it by URL, or you can embed the link if you wanted to do that. But yes, so that is pretty much the gist of all of this, and I hope this was helpful. You can also, when you go back, it'll save your form right here, so you can go back and edit it if you wanted. But yes. Thank you for watching.